When approaching women, even before you have said a word or done anything, she has already unconsciously put you into one of 3 categories. Let's go over each one, strengths and weaknesses for you. Category number 1. I like him. If you happen to look or remind her of someone that she liked, dress in a certain type of way that she finds attractive, or anything else that she happens to connect with, congrats, you have a heads up on everyone. And when it comes to taking it to the next level, it's all on you. This is a great thing, and if you fall in the average guy category, expect this to happen with around 10% of the women that you met who are available. Category number 2. I don't like him. You ever met someone and for no apparent or real good reason you don't like them? Guess what? Women are the same way, and for good measures, most women throw unconfident men and a whole slew of petty reasons in there as well. If you fall in this category, and at least 10% of the time you will, if you're just an average guy, unless you have some unknown outside factors to enhance you, like being famous or rich, etc. There is nothing you can say or do that is going to get this woman to change her mind and be attracted to you. Category number 3. Undecided. The majority of the times, about 80%, is you are an average guy, you are going to fall in this category, which if you have done your studying and reading on seductive and how to attract women, is a perfect place to be, because as long as you are in the undecided category, you can work on creating the desire and attraction in a woman that you want. This is very good news for you, my friend. Of course, the time is now for you to get your life in order, so that when you walk up to a woman that you find to be a potential partner and she is thinking to herself maybe or maybe not, over the course of a cup of coffee or tea, you can turn that maybe into a yes and increase your success with women tremendously. Watch this video to know more about women.